In this video, I'll show you how to enable printing background colors and images in Microsoft Word so your documents come out exactly the way you designed them. This is really useful if you're working with flyers, forms, branded documents, certificates, or anything that uses colored pages or background graphics. By default, Word can skip those background elements when you print, so if you've ever printed a document and noticed the colors or images are missing, this setting is probably the reason. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful software guides. Let's get straight into it. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure the document you want to print is already loaded. Once Word is open, go to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, choose Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can change settings that control how Word behaves. Inside Word Options, look at the menu on the left and click Display. This section controls how content appears on your screen, but it also includes some printing-related options. Now scroll down until you find the Printing Options section. Here, you'll see several checkboxes that affect how your documents print. What you want to do is check the box that says Print Background Colors and Images. This is the key setting that tells Word to include background fills, page colors, and any background graphics when the document is sent to the printer. If this box is left unchecked, Word may leave those elements out, which is why your printed document might look plain or incomplete. After you tick that box, click OK to save the change. That's it. Word will now include background colors and images whenever you print supported documents. To test it, go back to your document, press Ctrl+P and open the print preview. You should now see that the background elements are included in the preview before printing. If the background still doesn't show up, double check that the document actually has a page color or image set in the first place, and make sure your printer settings are not overriding Word's preferences. In most cases though, enabling this option fixes the issue immediately. So to recap, go to File, then Options, then Display, and under Printing Options, turn on Print Background Colors and Images. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in how your final printout looks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Word tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.